Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to open the WordPress dashboard directly from Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the WordPress website that you want to access its dashboard directly from Hostinger, click on this WP admin button. A new page opens up. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. A new page opens up, and just like that you will access your WordPress dashboard directly from Hostinger without filling any username or password. And this is how to access WordPress dashboard from Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.